I got this. The thing give me a trouble lately. Check engine light comes on. Okay. Now we got this part here. Old computer. That's how we're gonna check the check engine problem. I don't know if anybody remembers that, but that's the way. Used to figure out what's wrong with the car when check engine comes on. Today my goal is I want to install this, and this is Throttle performance switch. I think that's what it gives me trouble, because every time I start up this car, after it sits for a couple of weeks or so, it's just the check engine light comes on and the throttle idle and starts jumping up and down and then shuts off on me. So we're gonna try install this and see what happens. And the throttle position sensor located right underneath this air intake right there. So we're gonna take this, remove that, and try and install the new one. See if this is gonna solve the problem. Hopefully I fix the problem. There's only one way to find out. Alright, got this removed. Okay, now yeah, am I gonna need a new filter? Things getting dirty. Wait, let's see. Let's see. I think all we're gonna need to do is disconnect this. See what. Alright, this thing works for 84 through 86. Right here it says 84 to 86. And here's the instruction to how you're supposed to connect this thing here. So, alright, got the thing connected here. Should be pretty simple. This end goes here, another end goes to the wire. So that's right here. Right here is. So I connect this side to a wire, and wire from this sensor connected to throttle position sensor right here. So let me see. For now, it's gonna help. Anyway, let me see. I say turn the key on and wait. Okay, on. Okay, we got a red light. I hope that's what it's supposed to be. Last time when I turned the car on and start up, have check engine light comes on. So far it works straight, no check engine light yet. So hopefully it will stay like this. We wait till the temperature goes up. Let it warm up a little. See if it will turn the check engine light on or not. If not, we should be good to go. So it runs like a champ now. Okay, I did install this quick disconnect battery. It's very easy. So unscrew this little bolt here and hook up to this. I put it on negative, and all you gotta do, just twist this green button and it will disconnect. See, it's no lights. Покрути. Now I'm gonna turn it, the green button. There you go. We got juice. That's good. Good. That's it. Now it's off. Very easy. It'll take about 5 minutes to connect this thing here. And when you shut the hood down, you don't even bother. It's just... And of course, this little body cost me 20 bucks. But I wish I had it when I had a check engine light on, but now it's disappeared. I got no more check engine light. So I'll show you. This is the part number again. Thank you. So this is a part number for quick disconnect battery, and I bought it on Eclairs. Also, it's good stuff. When you shut the hood down, you don't even bother. It goes right here like this. Very convenient. Now it's disconnect. You don't have to take the whole thing off. Just unscrew a little bit and it'll disconnect the whole power in the car.